How do you find groups on Discord? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can find groups on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So in order to find groups on Discord, you can use the feature Explore Public Servers in Discord. For that, go to discord.com and then make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, here towards the left sidebar, there is this compass-like icon that says Discover. You have to click on it. After that, this will show the list of all the public servers, that is basically the groups, which is based on different categories such as gaming, music, entertainment, science and technology, education, or the student hubs. Now here you can search for your specific types of groups using the search bar in order to browse through the categories, or you can browse through the categories right here. So that's the way to find groups on Discord, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.